Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to report an account or report someone in Snapchat. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Snapchat account. I'm going to simply click on here to open my Snapchat app. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon. And the next thing you need to do is to head over to your friend list. So simply click on my friends right here. Then it take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to select a friend contact. Then it take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on their username. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three dots from the top right here. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on manage friendship. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on report. When are you reporting this particular account, then you have to state the reason why you want to import the then you have to state the reason why you want to report this particular account. And for you to do that, simply choose one of the two. They are posting inappropriate content or they are spammer. So you can select any one of them. So if you select inappropriate content, click on here and then choose the option that signify their inappropriate content. I just don't want to see it. So simply click on that. Then you have to state your reason and tell the Snapchat to this account. So once you state the reason, then simply click on submit and the Snapchat is going to take an appropriate action on the account. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to report someone or how to report an account in Snapchat. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, please click like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.